Hi, grade 2. I hope everything is good. So today is Wednesday, March 4th, and usually on Wednesdays we start a new reading selection. Okay, so I hope this video will help you. It's going to be very brief, but I hope it's enough for you guys to understand at home. So before we go through any selection, I always talk about the genre. And the genre here is an expository text, and students know that this is nothing new. Expository comes from the word explain, so this text is explaining a certain topic. Okay, and I think from here, from the title, we can get a clue that the topic is a tornado and that this selection is going to be talking or explaining what a tornado is. Also, the essential question of this selection is, how does weather affect us? Here, read about how tornadoes form and how weather affects our lives. So, of course, if you guys are at home, you could just open to page 230, right, in the reading book, and you can find the selection here and read at home. But I'm going to read it to you guys so you know how each word is pronounced. Okay? Before moving on to the selection and reading it, I like to show students the picture. So this is a tornado you see here, but I would give you guys something extra in class, maybe watch a real video of a tornado happening and what it does to maybe a city or a town. Not the consequences, but what it destroys, what it affects, okay? So now moving on to the selection. The title, as I said before, is Tornado, and we have an exclamation mark here. So it's like something really like, wow, it's a tornado. So they're like emphasizing a lot on the title, which is Tornado. Anyways, moving on to the selection, and we haven't read a title here. What is a tornado? So I'm going to read slowly, and I hope that you guys at home read this. It's very important, and practice reading it at home. Okay. The sky is dark far away. Something moves down from the clouds. It spins across the land. It sounds like a very loud train. A tornado is coming. A tornado is a spinning cloud. It is shaped like a funnel. Its wind can reach 300 miles per hour. To stop here now. So that's very fast, students, okay? It's very fast. To continue now. That is faster than a race car. The spinning air pulls things up. It can toss a car in the air. It can even destroy or ruin a house. A tornado can be dangerous. It can cause harm to people and places. Here we have a little caption for the picture. It says, when a funnel cloud reaches the ground, it becomes a tornado. So I think here, students, I would need you guys to watch a video to understand exactly how this is working. Even though I think most students are aware of what a tornado is, but I think this would be actually very fun in class to actually watch it. Now moving on to the next page. Yes. How does a tornado form? I'm going to make it a bit bigger here. Okay. How does a tornado form? A tornado is a kind of weather. Weather is the condition of the air. Most tornadoes begin as a kind of weather called a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms are harsh rainstorms, as I said, hard rainstorms, with thunder and lightning. These rough storms have high winds and heavy rain. When high winds spin and touch the ground, a tornado is born. Most tornadoes do not stay on the ground for long. When they do, they can cause a lot of damage or harm. A tornado is a big event. Where do most tornadoes happen? So this is the title of the next page, okay? More tornadoes happen in the United States than anywhere in the world. Not a good time to go to the United States, guys, then. Most of them form in the middle part of our country. Scientists think this might be because warm, wet air from the Gulf of Mexico crashes the cool, dry air from Canada. This area is known as Tornado Alley. So they even named this place Tornado Alley, guys, because this place is prone or known to have tornadoes. So that's a bit scary. So as you can see, a tornado is not something you would want to experience. It's not like a fun sunny day or nice weather. It's the kind of weather that destroys and affects our lives negatively. As you can see here in the picture, it says tornadoes can destroy trees, houses, and property. So it's not something that does anything good to our lives. It only brings damage. As I said, it destroys and creates damage. And please be aware, students, that we used all of our vocabulary words that I explained to you yesterday. I think there's another page. Yes, here. How do tornadoes affect people? So this is the question now. Tornadoes affect people and towns in many ways. Weak tornadoes break branches from trees or damage signs. Strong tornadoes can destroy buildings. People who live in areas where there are many tornadoes always think about the weather. They listen to the radio and watch news reports on television. Schools provide tornado drills so children can practice being safe in the event of a tornado. Teams of people work together to repair the damage caused by a tornado. How can you stay safe? So this is an important question. Let's say, God forbid, anyone was ever in a tornado. What can you do to stay safe, students? There are ways to prevent, okay? Remember the word prevent, or stop harm. So I said, remember, this prevent means to stop harm before it comes during a tornado. News reports use the words tornado warning to give notice that a tornado has been seen. Following safety rules can help everyone stay safe during a tornado. Also, as you guys see here, and this is a picture of what people work together to clean up after a tornado. So these are some people working to clean up all the damage and deterior that has happened after a tornado. You can see all the buildings and wood and all this material has been destroyed after a tornado, so people work together to remove them and repair. So we have this little box here. I would like you guys to all look. You can see here ways to stay safe, and we have like a little tornado sign here. 1. Listen to weather reports. 2. Find shelter in a basement or room without windows. So since we are in Lebanon, I don't think basements are very well known. So this is a floor that comes underneath the first floor. So it's underground, okay? 3, stay away from windows. And 4, listen to directions from a parent or teacher. Actually, this would be a good day since it's Wednesday and there has been a tornado in Tennessee actually today. So I think it would be a good day to actually talk about this and maybe show you a live news or live videos of the tornado that has taken place on the same day. Since we were just talking about the United States and how it's the most known country for tornadoes. So actually it's a bit weird that today they actually had a tornado occur. So I think I would show students a video of that. Other than that, students, we would usually solve some pages in the practice book for vocabulary, but since your practice books are in class and that's not possible, I think we should leave that till we get back to school and the situation is all better. But other than that, all I want you to do at home is to please read this selection, okay, and understand it properly. And other than that, hopefully next week we will solve everything together. And please, if it's possible for you to write down any questions you have, and hopefully next week we will be back to school and we will reread this all together and I will answer all of your questions. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.